What is crypto arbitrage trading? So crypto arbitrage trading is buying assets at a lower price in a centralized platform and selling the same assets at a higher price in a decentralized platform. So that is the definition of crypto arbitrage trading, and I will be flipping this amount and make at least 100 USDTs profit with crypto arbitrage trading. So there is crypto arbitrage trading where you can buy your assets at a lower price in a centralized platform via P2P and sell the same assets in a decentralized platform, but the merchant will send your profits in your centralized platform. So for instance, you are buying in Binance, like in P2P here, you buy 1 USDT at a rate of 1.0 and you sell it here at a rate of 1.19. The profits will be sent direct to your Binance account. So no withdrawal, you just have to provide your Binance details, and that's how you make profits with crypto arbitrage trading. So we are using ranquilly.com. Make sure it is funded. You come to deposit, then you click on USDTs, or if you want to fund BTC, remember you can trade almost all crypto coins in crypto arbitrage trading. So for me, I'll be using USDT. Then you come, you click on continue, you enter amount, let's say 1,000. You click on continue again, you copy the address, then you go to your external wallet, that is your centralized platform. You withdraw to that address. So you come and long paste here, then you click the network TRC20, then amount you enter max, you withdraw and confirm. After that, now that's funding your Ranquilly. You come on P2P arbitrage, you click on sell. I'll give an example of USDT. You can go and do the same in BTC, in Ethereum, or in any other coin. So you come and enter your amount. For instance, I want to trade with 100. Then instead of receiving in your internal wallet, you enter your external, you click on external. So you have the choice to receive in Binance, OKX, Mexic, Bitget, Kraken, Bybit, all those. So you come, for me, I wanna use Binance. So I'll go in my Binance. Then this is how you get your address. You click on add funds, you click on deposit assets, then you click on your crypto coin and you choose the network. After that, you copy it, you come and paste it here. So the merchant won't send to my Ranquilly account, but direct to my Binance account. So let's talk about the profits. You see, I did trade with 100 USDTs, but I could have expected 119 because of the 1.19 rate. But there is something called P2P fee. So it will deduct me 2.38. No transaction fees, no nothing. So I'll be paid 1.162. So I just confirm the trade. I confirm the trade here. Then the trade is running. So we wait for our funds to arrive in our Binance account, which will take at most 30 minutes. So let's wait, then I'll show you how it will go. So you can see my trade has been paid on. This is the notification from Binance, and I can refresh it here. You see the balance has changed, and you can also see it here, 116.62. And all I need now is to release my trade. You can see the profit was 116.62. So I've made 16.62 USDTs in profit. So just come and click on release. Then that's how you trade crypto arbitrage trading, buying your assets at a lower price in a centralized platform and selling your assets in a decentralized platform. It is more profitable with BTC, Ethereum, and any other coins. So make sure you start now, you learn, and you start earning with crypto arbitrage trading. Remember also you can use crypto bots. So I'll do a video also for the same. I'm out for now. Let's meet in the next video.